Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your lag spikes on your PS5 for latency and other issues related to your network. So just on home screen here, let's go up to the top and select settings, and then going down to network and select this, and go down to settings and go to the right and go to setup internet connection. Now the first thing we want to look at is our Wi-Fi signal strength. If we do not have 100% signal strength, that's probably what is causing our issue. So we could press options and look at the Wi-Fi frequency band. Sometimes when you go to 2.4 gigahertz, this will have a further range. So you might have a better connection if you switch to those specific Wi-Fi frequencies. Then we have 5 gigahertz and 6 gigahertz. You can get a little bit quicker download speed. And it might be a little bit more reliable connection, but having one that has a higher signal strength could also be a better option at further ranges. So look at that as an option, and then press options on your internet and go to advanced settings under here. And scroll on down to where it says the primary DNS. So this is the Cloudflare DNS. Go ahead and just type this in and see. It is 1.1.1.1, and then for the primary and the secondary, this will be 1.0.0.1. So let's type in the Google one now, and this will be 8.8.8.8. Then go to the secondary, and this will be 8.8.4.4. And then for the MTU, I usually go to manual and type in about 1472 or 1473 when I'm playing Call of Duty, and then go over to OK and just test out your internet connection and see if this made an improvement with your setup. And then we can go back, go to connection status, and then we can test our internet connection right here. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.